right, guys, we are back with our roadmap journey series. We are now moving into module 25, YouTube. Now, just like the last module that we covered, this one is also not taught by Zach or Hannah. This one is taught by Steph Perez. Make sure you go and follow her at YouTube. I've actually subscribed to her for quite a while at your girl, Steph Perez. She is phenomenal. Another very in-depth YouTube tutorial, probably again something that she can be selling on the side, but chose to include it with the roadmap. So as you would expect, we start out with a YouTube introduction, right? Just an understanding of what YouTube is, where the growth has been, why it's important for you to post on YouTube. So she's going to start with a channel walkthrough, and that is really just understanding like the interface on your desktop with YouTube, where everything is located, what it looks like, what it means. And you're obviously looking at her page, so you're seeing her layout. But then she's going to show you how to go into your new channel customization. And she's going to show you really how to do everything. How to create your banner, where to upload it, how to go ahead and set up all of your automated settings. She's going to show you how to go and dive deep into YouTube Studio, and she's going to show you features that I didn't even know were there. And I'm a pretty avid YouTube user, so there were some features in there that I didn't even know existed. So I am super grateful for this module for that reason, because she is definitely somebody that is going to teach you the right way to grow on YouTube. And she doesn't have this massive following where everything has been delegated off to another person now, right? You look at these people that have millions and millions of subscribers. A lot of what they're doing on a daily basis, it isn't them. They have a content manager, they have a production manager, they have a this manager, they have a that manager. They're really just showing up and talking to a camera with an entire film crew and a set behind them, right? So you're learning from someone who does have a following and is a very successful digital marketer and has used this platform to her advantage for X amount of time. So you're learning from somebody who's already established themselves, but somebody that is still really down to earth and in touch with where we would all be starting up. So now, without spilling the beans on this next one, this one was probably one of the most creative, out-of-the-box strategies that I've seen. She's going to show you her power homepage strategy. I'm not going to leak it here. You're going to have to buy the program if you want to see that. But in this strategy, you're going to learn how to really get into the psyche of what your audience is clicking on and what they're watching, and how you should be titling and gearing your content to look on YouTube. So then she's going to give you the breakdown of the purpose of each kind of content. What these mediums really do and what they mean. Like podcasts equal community. Community equals social. Upload equals discover. Shorts equal discover. Lives equal community. So that's just scratching the surface of what you're going to learn in that video, but that's just a real quick outline of some of the things that are taught. So then we move into a simple recording flow where she's outlining pretty much how you should make YouTube content. Hook, X, 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 call to action, what that layout looks like, what are some engaging things that you can do to kind of draw the viewer in, hold their attention for X amount of time, and then be able to provide value enough to ask in return at the end with your call to action for them to reciprocate, right? That's a general overview of what you'll learn in that video. Then she's going to show you how to actually upload a video, which again, if you're somebody who's never uploaded a YouTube video, this is something that's very important for you. It's the most basic of basics. So you can learn all these other things, but if you never get taught how to actually upload a video, what does it matter? Then you're going to get some tips and tricks that she is going to give you that you should be doing prior to recording your content. And then she's going to discuss the power of playlists, making sure that you're organizing those playlists. So again, when your viewer is searching for something in particular, that they're able to go to your page, go through your playlists, and easily find what they're looking for, rather than having to search through, an entire hodgepodge of every video you've ever done. So if you have everything organized in playlists, let's just say, for example, I've been doing this roadmap journey series on YouTube. I should have this under roadmap journey series. So if anyone in particular is interested in buying the roadmap, they could then come to my YouTube page, go to my playlist, and then see that I have an entire roadmap journey series, and they can watch that all the way through module by module if that's something that they're interested in doing. So then she rounds out this module with discovering content ideas, just giving you an idea on what your content can be around, so you're not running into those stumbling blocks of, man, I know I have to make content, but I have no idea what I'm going to make the content about. But all the tips that she shares are going to be super helpful for anyone starting out. So that's going to do it for this one. We're now going to be going into our next module, which is all about Pinterest. And so we will be covering everything in that module in our next video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And as always, guys, thank you and have a great day.